Hey, what's up guys? I'm starting things off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade and I'm focusing it on the tail end of my brow. And then to help me achieve more of a natural, untamed look to my brows, I'm using the MAC Shape and Shade Brow Tint Pen. And I'm focusing this product more on the inner part of my brows, creating hair-like feather strokes. And then to help add a little bit more dimension, I'm cutting around my brows with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Vanilla. So what actually inspired this whole avant-garde look was I was eating one of my all-time favorite summertime desserts, which is strawberry shortcake, and I wanted to do a look that resembled strawberries without it obviously being a strawberry. And that's where the glossy lids and the whole faux freckles came into play. Now I'm using the Urban Decay Primer Potion to prime my eyelids. So getting into the eyes, I'm taking the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place and I'm taking this pink shade and I'm going to dust that all over my eyelid with a big fluffy blending brush. So I wasn't quite happy with that color, so I switched to the Saharan palette by Juvia's Place and I made it more of a peachy pink than such a watermelon looking color. Then taking this Gorgeous Cosmetics eye pencil in the color black, I'm going to focus this on the outer area of my eye and I'm going to diffuse it with a little kind of smudger brush to make it more natural looking. Now getting into foundation, and I know there's a lot of mixed reviews on this, but I'm using the IT Cosmetics CC Plus cream, and then I'm going to also mix that with the Becca Cosmetics liquid highlighter in Champagne Pop. I wanted to incorporate this liquid highlighter to make my skin look really dewy and super youthful, and about that CC Plus cream, I've been actually wearing it on my face every day this summer, and just doing a little bit of powdering, and I've been getting tons of compliments on my makeup. Just adding a little tissue of the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer under the eye to brighten things up and add a little bit of highlight. And to set that, I'm going to lightly powder again with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Using my Gorgeous Cosmetics blush palette, I'm going to use this to achieve that bashful looking blush work that I envisioned. And now for the best part of this whole look, I'm using that MAC brow pen again to create these cute little faux freckles. Taking this simple MAC clear lip gloss, I'm dabbing it on my eyelid to give it that nice dewy appearance. Last but not least, my favorite Marc Jacobs mascara to top things off. And then one last time with that MAC brow pen, I'm going to create some faux bottom lashes. So here's my final cute little avant-garde look.